Welcome to Morphilm Academy. Today we talk about the VocoPro silent PA system. So we've actually been using our Sony UWPDs as IFBs for a while now, but before that, our more budget-friendly solution was these awesome VocoPro silent PAs. If you're looking for an affordable IFB system for your clients, director, or even your boomful operator, we found these offer fantastic value. First, the pros. They work in the 900 MHz band, avoiding TV channels and probably your wireless lavs as well. They have 16 selectable channels, which is not a lot, but we found it more than enough for IFBs at this price point. The volume knob is on top, making them easier to use than the Sonys. They have two input options, one 3.5mm and one TA3M, which provides a more secure connection, locks, and is faster to plug in than a locking 3.5 with threads. You can also power them with this micro USB port. Yes, USB-C would be better. They have several kit options to fit your needs and grow with you. They also come with a lot of accessories. Our kit came with earphones, an audio cable, a 1/4" adapter, and a huge lavalier microphone, which is pretty useless unfortunately. And lastly, if you have AA rechargeables, they will last pretty much all day. Now for the cons. First, the belt clips suck. They keep falling off. We first tried to put some hot glue to make them stay, and it kinda worked. For a while. But a better option is simply to use some pouches with an integrated belt clip. We use these AGAUS carrying cases. They fix the belt clip problem and protect your receivers. Second, these volume knobs tend to come off, but we fixed that problem with a drop of hot glue. Third, they are kinda cheaply made with an all-plastic body, but at this price, it doesn't really bother us. Fourth, they distort really easily, so you need to make sure that your mixer output is set to a lower level, and your gain knob is set to the lowest setting without turning it off. We found that actually works great. And lastly, we did have some reliability issues with some of them. We have 6, and 2 of those transmitters had some dropout problems. We don't know why, but they simply had more dropouts than the other ones. So that's just something to keep in mind. So, in conclusion, these are not perfect, but they are certainly the best cheap alternatives to Comtek or Sennheiser G4s that we found. If you're just getting started, these are a great option. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.